Hi, this is Vijay. In this video, we are going to see two different stocks in the same sector, particularly the automobile sector, with respect to the recent news around the world about the semiconductor chip shortage, how these companies are going to manage the shortage of semiconductors in manufacturing the higher end cars. The companies are Tata Motors and Mahindra M&M. So before going to those details and price details and trade details, I'd like to say a few points about the trading tips platforms operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. So we have three kinds of trading tips platforms known as Superfans Option, Superfans Equity, and Superfans Penny. In which I would like to say a few points about the Superfans option alone. The Superfans option is nothing but it's a trading tips plan for retail and low investors as well as traders. Because why I'm saying, because the working capital may be around 10k. If a person is having a working capital around 10k, and if he is ready to park the money, and considering this 10k is this 10k is not an hard earned money, because we are going to test this 10k in the market in option trading. For them, we used to give trading tips with entry price, target price, with related updates. So the subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. The subscription is very much low when we are comparing to the results coming out of the trading tips plan. So we are producing very fabulous and high profit trading tips. And recently we gave excellent profits in Adani Enterprises 1800 call option. It gave 7 times growth of money invested in this particular stock, and Apollo Hospital 5200 call option. It also gave 3 times growth of the money invested in this particular stock. So when comparing to this kind of profits, the subscription 7,919 is nothing. Now, how to join, how to remit the subscription? You can remit the subscription at any time. You can join at any time. You can remit the subscription by GPay, Amazon Pay, or Phone Pay or Paytm to our WhatsApp number. Remember, we have only one WhatsApp number, one Bull Street, and one Vijay. No other person is connected here. So beware of fact people who may reflect our name in Telegram. We do not have any trading tips activities, VIP group or premium group Telegram. All of our activities are confined only with the WhatsApp and the blog website. Now we go to the subject that recently Tata Motors and Mahindra announced that they are going to manage the shortage of chip for producing the high-end cars. So Mahindra said that they are going to cut down the use of semiconductor chips, no more number of semiconductor chips, and they are going to cut the facilities like wireless charging and all. And only one thing is the top end model of SUV 700, which requires ADAS, the driver assisted system, which requires more number of semiconductor chips. So this is the one bottleneck problem for Mahindra and Mahindra. And for all other models, they are saying that they are going to come down the prices. They are going to compromise. They are not pressurize the customers to buy low end models. So they have an option. It's an optional only. They have an option, instead of waiting for long waiting for the cars. They can buy the cars with limited edition like that. So in the Tata Motors also, they have planned that they are going to use the chain chip for different applications. It means that they are customizing the semiconductor chip for their use in cars. So Tata Motors is not going to cut down the price. Only M&M is going to cut down the price. Now, how far this will go, how far this decision will make benefit of the manufacturers, we don't know. But as far as the end user, as far as the trader in the stock market, what we can do, we can forget this news and we can concentrate on the trading level only. Now in this video, I'm going to give the trading level. With respect to Tata Motors recently I have seen the ongoing prices 506 rupees. The target for Tata Motors, if this news make an impulse, if this makes sense at all, the Tata Motors have to reach 545 level. If not, the Tata Motors may come down below 500, and then it will bounce back. And earlier price was 485 or 484, something like that. So it will come to some prices like that only. Then it will rebounds. It will go to higher levels. But any case, it will not reach above 545 level, because it has a resistance at that level. So this is Tata Motors. And coming to the M&M, so M&M, I have seen the last ongoing price as 918, and M&M is not having any positive impulse in the market. So definitely it has to come down. If it falls below this level, 918 level, it may even reach 865 level. If it falls below 865 level, the stock becomes very weak. And if it moving between 865 and 918 level, it will make a back and forth movement, and it will create a micro swing trading opportunity. And when it has a positive momentum, positive impulse above 918 level, it will reach 964 is my target. So I'm not recommending these stocks. Disclaimer is purely applied. These are my personal findings. And I'd like to say one proud point is that in our earlier videos, I have many times I stressed to buy Tata Motors stock, and I gave an idea for retail and small investor. Instead of going for buying Tata Motors, you can use the money to buy two stocks. You can invest in Tata Motor DVR as well as Tata Power, because they are going to make a great wonders in the EV segment. Tata Motors, the Tata Motors stock as well as the Tata Motors DVR stock are same. Only thing is a differential voting right. The price is very cheap. And at the time when I recommended this Tata Motors DVR stock in the month of August, I think so, the price was 130 level. But whereas in the November, just after 4 months, it reached to a level of 297 level. So just imagine a stock is rising from 130 to 297 level within 4 months for equity investors. So this is a great, wonderful result. Like that, if you are interested in trading with Tata Motors in option trading, you can make a micro level swing in Tata Motors stock. But whereas in M&M stock, one has to wait for the right opportunity, because the stock is volatile and stock is not having a thrust or high momentum. So this is about the Tata Motors and M&M stock. Now I'd like to say a few points about the Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine is for moderate and big traders. So the subscription level is very high, in which we give double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, mini jackpot trading tips, and occasional jackpot trading tips. If you have a capital of around 1 lakh rupees, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. You can target, you can aim high, great result. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.